Gold just crossed $4,180 an ounce. That's not a typo. That's history happening in real time. And somehow most people have no idea why. So let's fix that in the next 60 seconds. First, gold doesn't just go up. It reacts. It reacts to fear, to weakness, to broken trust. Right now it's reacting to the US dollar. The dollar just hit its lowest point in 2 weeks. When the dollar weakens, gold gets stronger. Every time. Here's why. Gold is priced in dollars worldwide. A weaker dollar means gold becomes cheaper for other countries to buy. More buyers, more demand, higher price. Simple math. But there's a second reason, and it's bigger. A brand new jobs report just came in ice cold. Only 57,000 jobs added, half of what was expected. That tells the Fed the economy might be cooling faster than planned. And when investors sense the Fed might slow down rate hikes, they run straight to gold. It's the oldest safety habit in finance. So right now you have two forces pushing gold at once: a weak dollar and a nervous, uncertain economy. That combination is rare, and it's why gold is moving this fast. Here's the real question though. Is this the peak or just the start? Nobody knows for sure, but now you understand why it's happening, not just that it is. If this made gold finally make sense to you, subscribe, because the next big move in money never waits for a warning.